Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, it's me Hamza Anwar and you're watching Computer Education Pakistan. Today we are going to do the part 5 of Unit 12, The Old Man and His Grandson, from the book English Language for Grade 9, Balochistan textbook, Board, Quetta. So let's start. The first word is guilty. It means mujrim. Burst into tears. रो पड़ना. At once, एक बार या यकदम. Begged, भीख मांगना. Forgiven, माफ कर दिया. Cruel यानी ظالمانہ. Treatment यानी सलूक. From then onwards, तब से. They felt very guilty. उन्होंने अपने आप को मुजरिम तस्वर किया. Then they burst into tears. फिर वो फूट कर रो पड़ी. At once they rushed to the old man. एकदम वो बूढ़े के पास पहुँचे. They begged to be forgiven for their cruel treatment of him. उन्होंने उसके साथ ज़ुल्माना सलूक की माफ़ी मांगी. Soon they led him back to the table. जल्द ही वो उसे वापस मेज़ पर ले गए. From then onwards, the old man always shared their table. तब से बूढ़े ने हमेशा मेज़ पर शरकत की. Even when he spilled his food, he never heard another word about it. यहाँ तक कि जब वो अपना खाना गिराता, उसने उसके बारे में दूसरा लफ्ज़ कभी भी नहीं सुना. So that's it for today's lesson. Subscribe to our channel Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video if you enjoyed. Press the bell icon so you can get our latest notifications. And also like our Facebook page Computer Education Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.